Hey guys, today we got a Facebook Marketplace challenge and we've got a total of $20. See what we can spend, see if we can go out there and catch something. So here we go. I'm working a few minutes away from where we need to pick up the fishing rod that we found on Marketplace this morning. So I'm just going to drop by and pick it up. This is the gear that we've picked up in the Facebook Marketplace challenge, and for $19 this is what we've gotten. It's a adult fishing set and a kid's fishing kit. So a quick look into what this tackle box includes is some hooks, some jigs, some sinkers, some lures, a toys floating thing, some soft lures, some beads and some swivels. We got some floats in there, some extra line, a scaler, some stickers and a brag mat by the looks of it. By the way, the fishing pole, there's a 6-foot, pretty average construction, probably one of the worst drags I've ever had, but what do you expect for 20 bucks for a rod, reel and tackle box? But let's rig up some of these soft lures and see what we can get out of them. So I've just rigged up this little curly tail and we'll see what happens. So we ended up losing that lure, but we'll try this one now. Hey guys, so after trying this $19 combo, unfortunately we didn't catch anything, but we only have half an hour to go for a quick fish, so I didn't really expect too much there. Usually we use live bait for this river, usually use prawns or whatever we catch in the net really. I'll do a video if you guys are keen to show you how to cast a net and what you can expect out of Logan River. So I will use this rod. I'll definitely try and catch something with it again. There's definitely stuff in the water. We usually catch brim, flathead, lots of catfish, quite a lot actually. You even see the odd bull shark. And we very much appreciate it if you like, subscribe and comment.